doing this in 2024. We are not welcoming a man who hurt us back into our lives because he come back begging. Now, Betty Wright has some great music. I still jam to her stuff, but in 1988, that was back in the day. We put up with men's shit. We put up with men's disrespect, abuse, and we let them come back over and over. We're not doing this in 2024. Now, Betty, I hope you learn from this, because she said after the pain, she let him come back, and he still do her like he do. He still disrespect her. Because as long as you allow them to hurt you and disrespect you, they will keep doing it over and over, and it will get worse throughout the years. Yeah, it's all right to love somebody after they hurt you, because love is a feeling that can't go away immediately. If the love you feel for somebody goes away immediately, you really didn't love them. So love takes a while to get over, but you don't have to be vulnerable and let that person who hurt you, who dogged you, come back into your life. I don't care if the sex is good. I don't care if he has good D. There's vibrators and rubber boyfriends who can do that. So don't be vulnerable. Don't fall victim. Don't let these snakes back in your life, because not only are they seeing you, they are seeing other people. Or they came back to you as a resting place until they find somebody else who's better than you, who has more than you, whose body looks better than you, who's more exciting than you, and who they can go have sex with until they get tired of that person. Then when they get tired of the person, they'll be back to you again. Don't allow that. It's just a vicious cycle that you will never get out of if you keep allowing it. Now, Betty, she said she still love him like he do after the pain, though you still do me like you do after the pain. So he's back loving her, having sex with her. It's not making love. He's having sex with her and still dogging her. Girl, don't do that. And then she's really kind of upset with him because she said, after the rain, I can't believe you still got the nerve to call me baby. And I tried to tell you no, it ain't so, but I guess no, it just ain't in me. Cause boy, I still love you like I do after the pain. Then she's talking to the ladies out here. Yeah, I know you laughing. Those who heard pain. Yeah, you're right. I sure did. I said I've never taken back again. Well, it's a woman's prerogative to change her mind, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Then she said, but we do it all the time. Don't laugh. You probably did the same thing too. Yep, I did the same thing too. And I learned from the many times I did it not to do it again. And that was in my 30s, more than 20 years ago. So don't make excuses like we're allowed to change our mind. We're not. We are, but we don't have to play victim and vulnerable all the time. And then when they hurt you again after you've taken back so many times, you don't have no excuse. You have no excuse to whine about it because that's your choice. And then she has the freaking nerve to say, it's just that you know me and I don't know you. You know, one thing time has taught me that it's better to have a piece of man than it is to have no man at all. You don't know how many times I heard this growing up, and I believed it. A piece of man is better to have a piece of man than to have no man at all. No, it is not. I don't know who put that in our thoughts back in the 80s and 90s. I don't know if it was these love songs, R&B love songs, that made us more vulnerable. If it was the women who we looked up to that took this crap and try to convince us to take the crap. No. You know, and then she said, thinking back just a few years ago when people tried to help you stay together, they find you out on the verge of breaking up. They used to cook up a little food and throw a little party and whisper things in your ear. Like, don't blame Mr. Charlie. Charlie is just a man. And he's doing the best he can. Mr. Charlie is just a man, and he's doing the best he can. So therefore, you better allow him to cheat on you and treat you like shit. Because Mr. Charlie is just a man. And men do this. Whoever put in a universe that this is what men do and women should allow it? Woo, Lord. Don't blame Mr. Charlie. He's just a man and he's doing the best he can. Then she said, that's why I still love you after the pain. Though you still do me like you do after the pain. So, back to what I said earlier, if you keep allowing this disrespect and this cheating, he will keep doing it more frequently. He will care less about you because he knows you have no respect for yourself. And he will keep doing it year after year after year. Because you keep letting him back. Because he's just a man. And he's doing the best he can. So, then she tried to bring God in it, saying, if there's a God above that keeps saying, Betty, try, don't give up. You know the sun is going to shine. God don't have nothing to do with him cheating on you and you taking him back. God has something to do with you getting better, getting your life together, and praying that you can get rid of this piece of shit out of your life. And you won't keep taking it back. Because it's better to have a piece of man than no man at all. Then she says, God is going to bless me for loving you. For all the times that you treated me wrong and I kept being true. But she still loves him like I do. She still loves him like she does after the pain. And nobody's ever going to love you like I do. Yeah, we used to say that back in the day. I bet those guys used to laugh at us like, okay. Okay, keep saying that. But, yeah. Betty. Don't do that no more. Don't do that anymore. Mm-mm. Then she says, I don't know why. I do, but I do. Yes, I do. Or there's a woman in me that keeps on loving you. Dang. The way we were brainwashed back in the day to stay with these shitty men, don't make no sense. But for all you women that are considering taking the dog back, you might want to listen to the song just to get a laugh because Betty, don't pay too much to the lyrics. Piece of man is better than have no man out. No, it's not. That's not right. This song came out 1988. Her name is Betty Wright, and the name of the album is called Mother Wit. No, she's not witty. She thought she was witty back then because that's what everybody used to say. Girl, stay with that man. He got a job. He got a car. He's taking care of you. Let him cheat on you. Let him cheat on you, girl. That's what all men do. Let him beat you. Let him disrespect you. At least you got a man. At least you got a man. At least you got half of a man, girl. You don't want to be alone. That's what they used to say back in the day. But, yeah, don't fall for it. Don't even wait till 2024 to start now. Put your boots on and walk out of that man's life. These boots were made for walking right out of your life. It's better to have a faithful man and a man who will respect you, who won't cheat on you, and you need to be sure. You don't need to guess about your relationship with a man. Until next time, heed these words. Don't take his ass back because you regret it. You will regret it.